Northwest has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm and associated outflow boundary were located over Hickory Creek, or over Lake Dallas, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Euless, Grapevine, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, and Southlake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 77 and 85. Interstate 35A between mile markers 436 and 466. For your protection, get inside of sturdy structure and stay away from windows.